Welcome to the Nelson Math Focus 6 podcast. These are created by Mr. Burko for the St. John Fine Arts School students to help them prepare for their next day's lessons. This is Chapter 5, Lesson 1, Translating Shapes. And in Lesson 1, Translating Shapes, we're continuing our unit on motion geometry. On page 148, the goal is to translate shapes on a coordinate grid using a rule. It says, Kendra has 3 tiles to put on the kitchen floor. She placed the first tile at vertex A at 3, 1. She wants to move the tile to the right 3 units and up 5 units. The question is, what are the new coordinates for Kendra's tiles? Kendra decides to move the tile along the rule right 3 units and up 5 units. You can see what happens. She chooses vertex A, which is here, and she chooses to move it over 1, 2, 3, and then up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I've moved the entire square, but if you're doing this on graph paper, you'll move the one dot at a time. What this creates is a new shape that is called A', B', C', and D'. And you'll see A has moved from 3, 1 to 6, 6. These two shapes are called congruent, and what that means is they are identical in size and shape. In the next section, Kendra places the tile KLMN on the grid. We're asked to translate it using the rule L3D4. In other words, left 3, down 4. She says label the image K', L', M', and M'. What I've decided to do is take K and move it over left 3, 1, 2, 3, and then down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This creates a new K', at 1, 4, or X is 1 and Y is 4. I can draw the rest of the dots on the shape, L', K', M', and N'. Next, it asks us to describe the rule used to translate QRST to Q', R', S', T'. What we'll find here is that if we take one dot, such as R, and we will find how to get to R', we will see that it goes over 1, over 2, up 1, up 2. So the rule for moving QRST to Q', R', S', and T' is over 1, over 2, or left 2, and up 2. I'm showing you here how you can also go up 2 and then left 2. So you can label those both ways, but it's probably more proper to go left 2, up 2. Next, we are asked to find the new coordinates for Kendra's tiles. I'm going to give you the coordinates for A, B, C, D, and A', B', C', and D'. We already know that A is at 3, 1. B, you'll see, is at 3 and 2. C is at 4, 2 because it's over 1 on the x-axis. And D is over 4 and up 1. A', we know, is already on 6, 6 on our grid. B' is up 1 from A', so it's 6, 7. And C' and D' are easily found.